Hello beauties, what's up? I'm Namita and welcome to Pink Phoenix Face Art Studio. So Diwali festival is going on and I have created this look with one of my favorite brand, that is MAC, and she is my favorite makeup artist, that is Shreya Jain. Love you. And she did the limited edition collection, and this is one I had, that is Lal-ish, and you guys, you can see the packaging. So this is the packaging. So this is the lipstick and this is the makeup fixer. You can see it's quite amazing. You can see, guys, and this is a makeup fixer along with that. Well, this is a makeup fixer, just puff puff, and I really loved it. So how I created this look with one of my favorite makeup brand. So let's see. So how I created this look, for that you have to watch the video till the end. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.
So first I'm using sugar primer. This is the silicone based primer and I'm putting it all over my face. Then I'm using MAC strobe cream and I'm taking a good amount. Then I'm putting it all over my face. Then I'm using the New York foundation. This is a 24-hour foundation. So I'm using a brush. Then I'm using the New York Fit Me concealer and the shade is light. Then I'm blending it with a brush. Then at last I'm blending with a beauty blender. And then I'm using K-Beauty translucent powder. And then I'm using sugar, eyebrow, duo, pen and spoolie. And the shade is dark brown. Then I'm using, that is, kajal. And then I'm smudging it up with a small flat brush and I'm smudging it very properly. And then I'm using the same kajal on the under area, and then again I'm smudging it with the same brush very properly. Then I'm using Maybelline New York blush and I'm using it with a brush also. Then I'm using Lakme liquid liner. This is now one of my favorite liner. Then I've taken a round brush and I've taken a makeup setting spray and then I've just sprayed it, and I'm using a highlighter that is from Maybelline New York, and I'm using it on the corner areas. Then I'm using on the upper areas, that is from eye area, so on both sides. And then I'm using, that is, MAC collaboration with Shreya Jain, and the edition is Lal-ish, and I'm using red lipstick. And with that is a combo, that is makeup fixer. Then again I have taken the fan brush and I'm using as a highlighter with my favorite Maybelline New York highlighter. Then I've taken K-Beauty mascara And this is my final look, guys. I hope you all guys liked it. Mwah. Bye.
You all guys enjoyed my video, so please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So more Diwali videos are coming, so stay tuned for that. And my Facebook page is Namita Gurnani and my Instagram is MUA Namita. Go and follow it. Bye.